Yeah, Kahawai. Something has taken a chunk out of this buoy. What do you guys think that is? A shark? Or do you reckon he's just been jagged up by the rocks or something? Hello, he's fine, it's just crack up. Over here, yeah. It is. This little babe. Oh, you can't bring dogs up here.
No dogs?
Come.
Yeah, stay there.
Let me just have a quick peek here, eh? Oh, this is cool as Bob. Yeah. Holy shit, that cliff fishing. Oh my god, this is so dope.
Yo, but you like, I can see fish.
Is that seaweed? Is this a weed?
I'm not seaweed or rock. What's scary?
Where's the rods?
I can smell fish. Oh, that's fish.
Definitely having a few flips to do.
Sit here and talk.
Yeah, that's it. Pass the rods
I
up.
like can't stand up, I'm scared. Oh, please come here.
Okay, okay. Neck may not fall into the ditch.
Cast your balance, like on the rock.
So it's the first time cliff top fishing too. I think that's seaweed. We would have caught so much squid here if we had a squid jigs.
Toby, I'm so scared you're there.
You scared? You scared that I'm there? Went pretty far. That's it, huh?
It does go pretty far. From up behind it.
Yeah, it does, eh?
How will you even pull a fish out?
I don't know, bro. That's something we deal with when it happens.
I can see my little lock.
Yeah, it looks cool as eh? Balance and fish. You can't balance and fish. It'd be cool to like climb down to down there, you know?
Flat area, like closer to the water, you know?
You wanna go try see the end?
I don't feel safe there.
Like the cliff end? Let's go, let's go. I'm happy to go.
I'm not in any rush.
I'll get a couple more. Actually, just 2 more. Yeah, we're slowly getting out. Nerves. I am on. I'm on. Yeah, Kahawai. He's been beaten. Yeah, bro, fresh cast. Yeah. No, you need to bring the bucket back. Yeah. He'll be fine and he's in a rock pool. Wow. He's been hit by something else, bro. Have a look on the side of it. Yeah, man. Wow, first cast. First cast. I thought I was stuck on a rock. And then I started moving left and right. I was like, no, I'm not. It's in a little rock pool.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna go to the car.
Just bring the bucket and knife back. And a rag. Just you can touch the puppy.
Yo! Yank him up on the rock. Oh my god, nice! Give me the keys, I'll go put...
First cast. Wait, he's been hit by something hard, eh? Yeah. Oh, waiting for my knife and bucket now. Look at that. Yeah, man, this one probably won't be eaten for sashimi or anything, probably just bait, eh? Good given this condition, you know? Oh, lovely. Yeah, man. Good fun. They love these hex lures, the Kahawai. Yeah, man. We've got a little dinghy and then we just tow it around as well, man. They go crazy, eh? Yeah, bro. Pretty much just imitating like a fish on the water, eh? On top of the water. Come have a cast while I put this fish out. It's over here in the pool. Come have a look. Something's had a go at it. Something's had a go at it. Nah, not while I caught it. I don't know, but like, look at the top.
Surely while I was on your hook.
Possibly. Nah, it seems like it's from before. Yeah, I thought I snagged into a rock and then it started moving. And I was like, what the heck? What are the chances, dude? I know, dude. I know, bro. Like, I climbed the rocks down and straight away, first cast, boom. I'm so happy with that, dude. I gotta sort this fish out before it does. Me too, I want you to catch it too. Oh, his cow is alive.
Is it?
Yeah, it's just roaming. Look at this, guys. Something has taken a chunk out of this boy. What do you guys think that is? A shark? Or do you reckon he's just been jagged it up by the rocks or something? Like when I pulled him in. I don't know, man. It's a pretty ruthless chunk if you ask me. I'm gonna put this guy out. We're gonna use him as bait. Bert! Any luck, girl? No? Show us a cast. Gotta be pro like me to catching the first cast. I'm not sure. This guy's pretty much out himself, man. Hey, bro.
What kind of fish is that one?
Kahawai, bro.
Kahawai?
Yeah, bro.
Gonna smoke that one?
Probably, eh, but what do you reckon? This guy's been munched at, or is he's all good, eh? Come over, geese.
Use them for bait, I reckon.
I think,
You gonna use them for bait?
yeah, well, we've got a few in the freezer.
Oh, really?
Something's had a go, bro, eh?
Oh, on the way in, you reckon?
I think, eh, like, I don't know if it's fresh. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I don't know.
But it's a decent chunk, eh?
Yeah, it is.
I was thinking either the rocks or like a shark or something, you know?
Yeah, probably would have been a little shark or
Yeah. But yeah, it pretty much came down. We first cast on the Hicks wobblers, eh?
on this.
Yeah, after that, quiet, nothing.
So what, is it all been gurned or is there any snapper or anything?
Nah, well, literally we just came first time trying, bro. I think the guys on that corner catch quite a bit of snapper there.
Yeah.
But I've been trying to get gurned for ages, bro. Can't catch one, eh?
Yeah.
Trying to catch a carrot, eh?
Yeah.
Hello.
Just have a little look at it.
Hey, bro.
A little, maybe a shark or something. Took a bit out of it on the
Took
way
a little
out.
chunk out of it.
Yeah. Have a little bit of a nibble.
Nibble.
Bit
Bait.
of fresh sashimi.
Yeah, if
Yeah.
not bait, bro. Snapper love them too. Yeah, I should have
Just ending.
just shuffling around.
Just, you know.
Yeah, first time trying off the rocks, man. They produced.
I reckon. Yeah.
Any luck? Go on the other side if you want. Of course.
So I've got a hand
Taking a different route back.
got a barrier to hold on to.
Like right here, where I'm standing. Oh, straight out, yeah. Straight out, and like I literally had like 3 or 4 reels, and I was like, doop, and I was like, oh, rock. Like, yeah, that's pulling it real hard. Then it started moving. I was like, that's not a rock. And like, Bob, I'm on. Now I'm just like a lone strangler. Maybe why did I get caught and die?
Yeah, so I was like,
Struggling, yeah. Let me just put this fish out. Like smack his head.
oh
Sorry, fishy. We're good. I just came here for fun because I thought like rock climbing.
I thought you wouldn't.
I'm staring at my bucket. Kahawai.
No, you gotta catch problem. You gotta look at it.
We're walking like a happy man, eh?
Yeah, I know. Where do you wanna go to that?
I think it's to the right. Yeah. Oh, I'm so happy.
I can't believe your mental's done you so good so many times.
I know.
So many times.
We caught a fish.